Up guys, welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Colin, and today's video I'm working on the pilot, changing the control arm. That's the lower control arm. This is it right here, and that's the new one right there that I'm gonna put in. And the screws them that I'm gonna take off the control arm is I got this one screw right here in the bottom, and this is a 22, and I got like these three right here. That's a 19, and one in here. That's the next 19 that they're gonna to pull that in there too. And then they come over here, and then they got this 19 up here too. So I'm gonna take out all of that right now. With this 22 right here. Big boy screw. Alright, so now that is out. Switch over to the 19. Top piece right here, all I have to do is just take it up. And once I loosen all the stuff down at the bottom, it's just loosen on the whole sway bar piece right here. So take that off, put it to the side. Then next now, I need to just get this one out. Alright, once I get all of the screws them out in the back of here, and that one right here, this one right here. So I don't really got a ball joint tool, so I'm gonna have to get a hammer and knock this. I got a knock right here, knock on the bottom right here, so this can come out, cause right now it's stuck in there, and it's supposed to have like a ball joint tool, but I don't got that. So I'm gonna do the old school way, get a hammer and hit it until it jumped out. So where I'm gonna hit is I'm gonna hit on this part. Now that you can see, it was moving, so it's loose. Okay, and now that I got everything all loosened up, you just push down on this and pull up a little bit, and then just slide it out of there. Alright, and this is it. It's out of here, and this pushing does look bad. And it's not actually too bad. I don't know why I was making all of this noise. Oh yeah, the pushing is true. This one. And this side, I don't know if you can see it, but it's almost out of there. It's like basically crack all the way around. So I guess the fact that the weight of the truck make it make noise when I turn the wheel. So go back to this one. Okay, so I'm ready to go back in with the new one now. The first part I'm gonna try getting is this part. I'm gonna try get it back over here. I'm gonna pull this rubber bushing back there, and it's just like kind of not kidding, basically. It's gonna be a little bit of fight. I don't want to move this too much because the axle is I didn't take the axle out of the splinter, and I don't want to mess up my axle. I don't want it to come out of place. Usually when I'm doing work like this, I take it out. I don't know why I didn't take this one out. Alright, now it's on there. It's not fully on there, but as you can see, I catch some of the screw. I catch this one already. this need to be straightened up, so I'm gonna have to put the screw on this one, so that way I put the screw on this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a jack and jack right here, so this can get straight. Get to show you before, we got 4 poles down here, a 3 and the 1 in the hole, and then this one right here, and then this one right copper right here, and that's what all in the place. That's that, man. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. This video helped you guys in any way, man. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.